Doing everybody. Thursday afternoon. We had a heck of a snow last night and today. Right now the total is over 16 inches. Wedgewood Park. We're on the state line, Indiana-Michigan state line. We're on Indiana side. We got 16 inches to anywhere from 16 to 19 inches. And right now the snow's getting real heavy. So I'm out here making a video. Hope I don't fall. Today I had to walk down to the gas station, down to the highway, a couple blocks down. I fell into a big snowbank. Anyway, if I didn't do that, I would have got hurt. Didn't land in that snow pile. I'm taking a video here. Big snowstorm, you know. It sure was. Snow warning's over for the area. They're still calling for snow yet tonight, tomorrow, the whole weekend, and very cold. Very cold conditions out. You know what? Beautiful though, but dangerous. Dangerous cold. Yeah, I worked in this driveway probably for, like I said, a good 2 hours. Snowblower. I had to put a new snowblower auger belt on. That wasn't fun. And the snow on the driveway here got to be real wet, and I couldn't do nothing with it, so be it. Just have to watch out backing out of here. They're pulling in. You will be way after you, that's for sure. Hopefully get out of here tomorrow. Us guys. Yeah, 16 to 19 inches of snow. Now it's like 23 degrees out. Feels like 11. Winter time's here. Other day we had green grass. You know, everybody? Green grass. Oh, that snow. Bushes. Patio table. January 15th, 2026. Always get snowstorms January. Birthday's January 26th. They always call me the blizzard baby. Always have a big snow around my birthday. Always get out of school this time of year too. On my birthday. 1 or 2 weeks at a time. Back in '78, we were out probably for 2 weeks rather. We had snow up to the eaves of the house. Drifting snow. Schools were shut down for a week or two. A couple of years we had bad snow like that. But everybody just take it easy now. I'm done for the day. Maybe I'll try to go to 401's Casino tomorrow if I can get up there. I'm not gonna wreck the car though. Put it that way. I need a break. I feel like I've been beat up too. Yep. Okay guys, stay warm. Be good. Don't do nothing I wouldn't do. And this world's crazy. It's got to get better. election coming up next November. Make sure you vote. Okay, guys, take care now. We'll see ya on the next video. Bye.